Let us now understand how to use mid function in Microsoft Excel. Mid function helps us extract a specified number of characters after a specified starting position from the middle of our selected text string. Let us see it with an example. So here we have our student table showing student name and marks. We will try extracting characters from the middle of our student name Alexander using mid function. To do so, I will write here is equal to mid mid, put a bracket, then select our student name Alexander, put a comma, then here we have to specify the starting position from where we want to start the extraction of the characters. So let me specify here the third position, this one, from where the extraction should start. Put a comma. Now we have to specify the number of characters that we want to extract. Let me write here 6. Close the bracket and press enter. This returns us the 6 middle characters starting from the third position here, EXANDE, from the middle of our student name Alexander. This is how we use mid function in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. Thank you for watching.